Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Before I start this video, could you just please give my channel a subscribe so that you can continue to receive videos like this on a daily basis. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today, we have rallied again. We are currently trading at all-time highs at around the 9,634 level. I actually made my very first trade on the Nasdaq this morning. This afternoon, this morning, if you live in the US. So I bought the Nasdaq 100 just before the Wall Street Open, and I posted that signal in my signal group. We bought the dip, as I just mentioned in my gold video. There was a spike in coronavirus. So there was a spike in people who had caught the virus. I think it was 15,000 people, and they reported 252 deaths yesterday, which was the highest number of reported cases and deaths since the outbreak started on December the 31st. So the Nasdaq did, if I just go into the hour chart here, the Nasdaq did actually sell off before the Wall Street Open, and then when Wall Street opened, which was around about this candle here, as you can see, we have rallied and regained everything that we lost earlier on in the session. So I made great profit there. My trading signal team made great profit there. So if you are interested in joining my trading signals group, then please send me a message. My WhatsApp number is below. Do not hesitate to send me a message and I'll give you some more information about it. But the reason I did actually make a move on the Nasdaq 100 this afternoon is because it's happened in a lot of previous days. As you can see, we had a dip here, and then the Nasdaq 100 is so strong at the moment. I actually haven't seen it this strong in some time, probably been like 3 or 4 years since Donald Trump was actually elected president. At the moment, these dips just keep getting bought. You know, there's some reports about how bad the coronavirus is going to have on the economy, and you get the Nasdaq 100, which keeps having these dips, and people just keep buying back the dips, picking up value, and that is literally what I did here. I remember here, this is when there was a huge coronavirus. There was a report of many people getting being diagnosed with the coronavirus. The market sold off, and as you can see, people bought it straight back within one day, and it regained its losses. Same again here. So that is literally what I just did today. I copy pasted that. The market sunk, and then as Wall Street opened, I bought the dip, and as you can see, we rallied pretty much from there. So once again, a huge congratulations to everyone in my signal group who profited from that trade. Long-term outlook for the Nasdaq 100, it still remains the same of what I mentioned in other videos. I'm still looking for that pullback back towards the 50-day EMA, where I can then find some value, place some long trades, and then hopefully other traders will copy the same strategy as myself, and we will then hopefully, it will slingshot us towards the huge psychological number of $10,000, which was my yearly target. So all in all, very bullish still. Buying the dip strategy works very well with a Nasdaq 100.